What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? It's Skinny Boy Randy. Hope you're having a great, drawn, blessed, and prosperous day, you guys. It's good to be alive, right? Thank you so much for being here. Welcome to Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy. If you're new here, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to get a notification every time I make a video, which is every 2 hours. Thank you, Foul Pal Darrell. Whoa, okay. I caught that little shade. That was good shade, though. I love it. Thank you, y'all. Check out Orchids for Dummies. Orchids for Dummies, you guys, on YouTube. Also, check out Foul Pal Darrell on Facebook and get a link to the Foul Pal community. I love the Foul Pal community, you guys. Also, I just want to personally take the time to say thank you to Mr. Brian. You guys, please go visit Artwork and Orchids. Yes, you guys, I am interested in orchids. Thanks, Foul Pal Darrell, for introducing me to a whole nother world that I never knew about. Always loved the plant, and thank you. Just thank you for introducing me to your friends, and I hope I can introduce you to my Skinny Boy gardeners as well. And Mr. Brian, thank you so much. I saw your video you made that I asked for. You are the best. Wow. Thank you. And I am so looking forward to getting my package tomorrow. I got notification that I have a package that will be here tomorrow. And I'm off work tomorrow, you guys. Okay. So thank you, Mr. Brian. I so do appreciate it. I even had my cousin watching today, and we just love your videos. And you just don't know. I'm so blessed and thankful for you. So, okay, you guys, let's get into this video. I'm just going to show you today about thinning your seedlings. Okay, you know, we put a lot of seedlings in our containers when we're starting our garden. And then you're like, okay, all the seedlings came up. You know, you're hoping, well, you're not hoping. You put 2 and 3 in there just in case nothing comes. And, you know, one doesn't make it. And sometimes all of them make it, you guys. And thank God that we have most of our plants, all of them have made it. Unfortunately, these plants are going to get bigger, guys, and need their own root space. So I don't like to, thin my plants. I'd rather take them and plant them separately. But also, I cannot bite off more than I can chew, you guys. You know I'm succession planting. So everything that's here is about to be planted all over again, like tonight or tomorrow. When I have the energy to make a video to show you, I'm going to do the Jiffy Pot experiment for everybody who wants to know about Jiffy Pot peat pellets and that package that you can order. So, but all of this stuff I want to grow again. And you have to think about your garden space, y'all. Because I'll overdo it. Okay. I'll plant 1,000. Knowing I ain't got nowhere to put these plants when they get big. So, what I'm going to do just for now, we ain't thinning out a whole bunch of stuff, y'all. Y'all know we ain't got no money to be buying a whole bunch of plants and stuff. We ain't buying no plants this year. How about that? Okay. Anybody got no money? So, I'm just going to go through and kind of weed out the undesirables. Like these are some mortgage lefter tomatoes. Now you can look at this container and you can see what's doing good and what's not, right? See that? Mortgage lefter. So what I'm going to do, you see this little fellow here? It's not doing too well. It's not probably going to produce a healthy plant. This one here, it's okay. But the one in the middle seems to take over this container, y'all. Okay? And I have so many mortgage lifters. We're going to go ahead and remove this. If you get the whole root out, you can replant it if you want. I'm not going to dig this soil up and take everything out and repot. This is not that video. I've done that for you before. But sometimes your roots will come right on out and you can just replant them. So now we have our mortgage lefter from the 23rd and it has its own space. Okay. Now these are some dead sunsets. Looking good, right? All of them look pretty good. Yeah. But again, they're going to root. They're going to need their space, you guys. So we have to do some of this stuff. So I'm going to take out this one. And I'm going to leave 3 in here. I'm not going to take out the middle one. That is very healthy. hate to lose any of them. Just seeing if any of the leaves don't look well. This one looks kind of weird. We're gonna leave. It's what, 4? For now, we're just gonna leave 4 there. No, I'm gonna get rid of this one. It's just something telling me to get rid of that one. Then over here, our Aunt Ruby, she just showed off. Now these two are so close together, we gotta get rid of this one. See? And they still have the root on it, you guys. Don't be surprised. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this one because the big one right beside it is doing great. So it's 4 in there. Like I said, the Aunt Ruby is just showing off. She's everywhere. So we're gonna take some of these Aunt Rubies out. And you can snip them with scissors, but I'm not pulling close to each other. So I snip it with my fingernail. Pull it on out. Now some of these over here are more dead sunset. And this one just doesn't look healthy, so I'm gonna get rid of that. These two are growing 2 together, and this is the weakest link. I'm gonna pinch that. Because if they're close together, don't pull them from the root because you don't want to damage. These 2 are close together. And one is springing up more than the other, so I'm gonna take that one out. See how that just didn't form? Where we're at? This one here. You see? I'm sorry, you guys. This one right here didn't form too well. I'll take that one on out. This one is not doing too well. Take that out. These are more Aunt Rubies, you guys. We have so many Aunt Rubies. These are yellow pear. I'm gonna thin these. Take this little one out. Take this one out. And then the peppers. Peppers take longer than tomatoes. Don't get discouraged when your peppers don't come up quickly. See, this one looks kind of like a weak link. Let's get them on out of there. This one has a deformed leaf, but it's healthy. Looks like a pepper fell in there too. So yeah, you guys, just go through your babies. Talk to them. Ask them how they feel, what they need. I'm going to pull this out of here. Oops. Ask them what they need. Check on them. I'm going to leave all those in there. These are peppers. Y'all, I spilled another container the other day. I won't gonna tell nobody, but yeah, I did. All these have fell over on the ground with these, and these. But I got them back up, okay? And they're doing great. So yeah, just a little technique on thinning. Check on your plants, y'all. See how they doing. Skinny Boy Randy still kicking. So I hope you have a blessed, growing rest of your day. Click like and subscribe. Share the video. Do all that good stuff. Click the bell. I love you guys. You are the best. It's your Skinny Boy Randy. Remember, live, love, laugh, you guys. Close up and eat it. And keep a fan on your plants. That helps them get stronger.